Hi, it's me again, Mr. Alexis R. Osorio, and we will have solving systems of linear equations in two variables using the elimination method. The elimination method is based on the addition property of equality. When equal quantities are added to both sides of an equation, the resulting equations are equal. These are the steps on how we can solve systems of linear equations in two variables using elimination method. First, decide which variable you want to eliminate. Second, multiply one or both equations by the appropriate constants so that the variable that you want to eliminate becomes additive inverses of each other. Third, add the resulting equations. Fourth, solve the equation obtained in step 3. Fifth, substitute the value of the variable obtained in step 4 into one of the original equations and solve for the other variable. And sixth, check your solution in both original equations. Example number 1. Let us say we have x plus y is equal to 8, x minus y is equal to 2. The first thing that we are going to do is to add the two equations. Kung mapapansin natin, naka-align ang dalawang equations. Naka-align yung merong variable x, naka-align yung may variable y, naka-align yung equal sign at yung constant. Okay, so i-add natin yan depende sa kanilang alignment. Okay, so let us start with x. X plus x, that is equal to 2x. Okay, dito, sa susunod, which is the variable y, kung mapapansin natin, yung isang y is positive at yung isa ay negative. If we are going to add them, that is equivalent to 0. So that will be eliminated. So that is why it is called as elimination method. Merong ma-eliminate. Okay, so ang ma-eliminate dito is the additive inverse of each other. Ang additive inverse ng y is negative y. Okay, and then, we will also add the constant here. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now, after adding the two equations, at may na-eliminate tayo, solve for x dahil ang natirang variable is x. So that will be 2x is equal to 10. X ang hinahanap natin pero meron pang numerical coefficient na 2. So we need to multiply both sides of the equation by the multiplicative inverse of 2, which is 1/2. So multiply both sides by 1/2, that will give us x is equal to 5. So that is our x coordinate in the final answer. Meron na tayong value ng x. So what are we going to do next is to solve for y. Okay, so for us to solve for y, you can use the first or second equation, any of the two. Okay, so let us say we have the first equation here. We will just substitute the value of x, yung nakuha natin kanina, which is 5, dito sa first equation. Pwede rin naman sa second equation. It depends on you. Okay, so palitan lang natin si x ng 5. So that is 5 plus y is equal to 8. Okay, so dito, y lang dapat ang nasa kaliwa because we are looking for the value of y. So we are going to add negative 5 to both sides para ma-eliminate naman itong, or para ma-remove itong si positive 5. So that will give us y is equal to 3 because 8 plus negative 5 is positive 3. So that is our value of y. So therefore, the solution is 5, 3. Nasa unahan si 5 dahil lang x-coordinate ay laging nasa unahan ng coordinates, followed by 3 which is the y-coordinate. Okay, for us to find if our solution or our answer is correct, we are going to check the solutions in the original equations. We will just substitute the value of x and y in the two equations. Let us start with equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 8. Ang x natin is 5 at ang y natin is 3. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and then 8 is equal to 8. That is correct. How about in the second equation? Our second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. We will substitute again. X is 5, y is 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. And that is correct. Meaning to say, the solution is 5, 3. Example number 2. Let us say we have x minus 2y is equal to 8. Negative x plus 5y is equal to negative 17. First is we are going to add the two equations. Dapat ay kita natin na naka-align sila. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin dito, una pa lang is yung merong alignment ng x or term with the variable x. X minus x is equal to 0. So that is eliminated now. Okay, next. Let us add negative 2y plus 5y, and that is 3y, equals 8 plus negative 17 is equal to negative 9. Okay, so meron tayong na-eliminate dito which is x. After that, dahil ang natirang variable is y, kasi na-eliminate si x, we are going to solve for y. 3y is equal to negative 9. Okay, so for us to solve for y, we need to multiply both sides of the equation by 1/3. Kasi ang multiplicative inverse ng 3 ay 1/3. So, ang magiging sagot natin dito is y is equal to negative 3. This is our value of y. So, kung nauna na makuha natin si y, we will now solve for x. Para makuha natin si x, you can substitute the value of y in either first or second equation. Pero ang ginamit ko dito is the first equation. Okay, so let us substitute the value of y here. X minus 2 times the quantity 3, or negative 3 rather, is equal to 8. Now, let us simplify. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So, magiging x plus 6 is equal to 8. We are looking for the value of x. So, meron pang 6 sa left side ng equation. So, for us to remove positive 6, we need to use APE. Magdadagdag tayo ng negative 6 to both sides of the equation. At ang mangyayari niyan is x is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is simply 2. So, therefore, x is equal to 2. Meron na tayong x at y. Okay, so therefore, the solution is 2, negative 3. Nasa unahan si 2 dahil ang x-coordinate ay 2. Ang y-coordinate is negative 3. Okay, so let us find out if our solution is correct. So, check the solutions in the original equations. Okay, isubstitute muna natin sa first equation. X minus 2y is equal to 8. Ang x natin is 2. Ang y natin is negative 3. So, magiging 2 minus 2 times the quantity negative 3 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 8 is equal to 8. This is true. Okay, next. Second equation. Negative x plus 5y is equal to negative 17. Substitute the values of x and y. Negative 2 plus 5 times the quantity negative 3 is equal to 17. This will be negative 2 minus 15 is equal to negative 17. Negative 2 minus 15 is negative 17. And negative 17 is equal to negative 17. Therefore, our solution is correct. And the solution is 2, negative 3. That's it. That is on how we can solve systems of linear equations in two variables using elimination method. Okay, I hope that you learned something on how we can solve systems of linear equations in two variables using elimination method. If you have question, message, comment, or something to say about the lesson, just comment down below and I'm going to respond to it. Okay, goodbye and see you on my next video. Thank you.